...2015 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque review. What's new for 2015? The 2015 Evoque's optional self-parking system adds perpendicular parking to its repertoire, and the blind spot monitor now comes with rear crosspath alert. A convenience package Pure and Pure Plus trims bundles the navigation system with keyless entry and ignition, while a black dynamic package includes various black exterior details. There's also a new mobile app interface in control apps, and two pricey autobiography models debut late availability, with the dynamic variant offering a power bump and other performance upgrades. Introduction being on the most fundamental level utility vehicles, crossover SUVs, even luxury models typically aren't notable for their jaw-dropping styling. But the 2015 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque turns that idea on its ear. Land Rover deserves praise for bringing concept car styling directly to the showroom, whether in two-door or four-door form. The Evoque gives you exterior design that, a few years into its life cycle, still has the ability to stop onlookers in their tracks. As for the utility bit, well, with the exception of the Evoque's surprising off-roading chops, that's generally what the other Land Rovers, for example, the upcoming Discovery Sport, are meant to deliver. Yes, there's a price to be paid for the Range Rover Evoque's dramatic roofline and bulldog stance. Interior space is at a premium, even by compact crossover standards. Front passengers will be just fine, but those in back are left with stingy head and legroom, as well as awkward ingress and egress in the two-door model. Also, the squashed windows mean it's fairly dark back there. The similarly compromised cargo area is on par with that of the VW Golf hatchback, falling short of most rival crossovers. But the Evoque's also small on the outside, and that makes it a nice fit for space-constrained urban lifestyles. Fuel economy usually isn't a Land Rover's strength, but the Evoque impresses here, too, with its respectable 24 miles per gallon combined rating. On the other hand, the turbocharged 240 horsepower engine's power delivery isn't as linear or refined as we expect in this segment. And if you want the massaged 285 horsepower version in the new for 2015 autobiography dynamic, you'll pay dearly for the privilege. Furthermore, the Evoque rides quite firmly, and that's decidedly not an asset on rutted city streets. The littlest Land Rover faces a long list of distinguished competitors, starting with the roomier 2015 Audi Q5, which boasts pretty snazzy styling of its own, along with a diverse engine lineup that includes a satisfying diesel and a swift supercharged V6 SQ5 variant. Much the same is true of the 2015 BMW X3, which is likewise larger inside than the Evoque and offers superior handling and powertrains. A few smaller models, the turbocharged 2015 Audi Q3, 2015 Lexus NX 200 tons and 2015 Mercedes-Benz G-Class are new to the market and certainly worth considering if the Evoque's size appeals. For shoppers looking at higher-end Evoque models, the chic 2015 Porsche Macan overlaps them on price and delivers astounding on- and off-road performance. If you're smitten by the 2015 Evoque's stunning looks, we understand. Otherwise, though, it's tough to recommend this bit over its talented international rivals. Body styles, trim levels, and options. The 2015 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque is a small luxury crossover SUV available in two-door coupe and four-door body styles. There are 5 main trim levels: Pure, Pure Plus, Pure Premium, Prestige and Dynamic. Note that the Pure and Prestige are offered only on the 4-door Evoque. The special autobiography and autobiography dynamic trim levels are offered in either 2 or 4-door form. The Pure comes standard with 18-inch alloy wheels, automatic headlights, automatic wipers, heated exterior mirrors with puddle lights, a rear view camera, a rear spoiler, front and rear parking sensors, a cargo cover, rear privacy glass, push-button ignition, driver selectable drive modes, adjustable ambient interior lighting, dual-zone automatic climate control with rear console vents, a tilt and telescoping leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, partial leather upholstery, power front seats, 8-way driver, 6-way passenger with driver power lumbar, driver memory functions, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity, an 8-inch touchscreen electronics interface, a rear view camera and an 11-speaker Meridian sound system with a CD player, an auxiliary audio jack and 2 USB ports. The Pure Plus adds 19-inch wheels, headlight washers, fog lights, a power liftgate, full leather upholstery and a panoramic sunroof. The Pure Premium adds adaptive xenon headlights, a blind spot warning system with rear cross-traffic alert, a 360-degree parking camera system, keyless entry and ignition, a navigation system with voice controls and a 17-speaker surround sound audio system with a 10 CD changer. The Prestige adds slightly different exterior trim, upgraded leather upholstery, wood and aluminium interior accents, a heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, satellite radio and HD radio. Also included is an automated parking system capable of both parallel and perpendicular parking.